How to add a story on TikTok. So if you want to add a story on TikTok, then first open up your TikTok application. Once you open your TikTok, now you need to simply go for your profile, which is on the bottom right. And once you're here on the profile, you need to simply tap on the plus under your profile picture. Tap on the plus and then it will take you to your camera roll, right? So you need to simply choose any picture that you would like to add to your story. And now you need to simply tap on your story, which is on the bottom of your screen. Just tap on your story. And once you tap on your story, the story has been uploaded. So that's it. It might take some time to upload the story, and once it's uploaded, you will have the blue or green color interface. Simply tap on that and then you will have your story. So that's it. That's how you can add a story on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.